Parrots are fascinating creatures. Did you know they can actually remember names? In the wild, they give each other unique sounds that function like names, and they remember these calls for life. Imagine a parrot calling out to its friend from years ago. This ability shows not just intelligence, but also a social bond that's truly remarkable. They use these names to communicate, recognize each other, and even form lifelong friendships. So, if you have a parrot, it's not just a pet, it's a companion that might just remember your name forever.